To turn on daytime running lights in your 2025 vehicle, start by locating the headlights switch, usually found on the steering column or dashboard. The switch may have several positions, including off, parking lights, low beams, and high beams. Some vehicles may also have an automatic setting. Next, check your vehicle's manual to determine if it has a specific setting for daytime running lights. Some cars have a dedicated button or menu option for this feature, while others may automatically turn on the daytime running lights when the vehicle is started and the transmission is in drive. If your vehicle has a dedicated daytime running lights button, press it to turn on the feature. You may also need to adjust the settings through the vehicle's infotainment system or menu. In some cases, the daytime running lights may be controlled through a settings menu, where you can select the type of lights to use, such as LED or halogen. To confirm that the daytime running lights are on, look for a light or indicator on the dashboard or check the lights themselves to see if they are illuminated. Daytime running lights are usually less bright than low beams and are designed to increase visibility during the day. It is essential to note that daytime running lights are a safety feature and are required in many countries. They help to reduce the risk of accidents by making your vehicle more visible to other drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and local regulations regarding the use of daytime running lights. In summary, to turn on daytime running lights in your 2025 vehicle, locate the headlights switch, check the vehicle's manual, and look for a dedicated button or menu option. Adjust the settings as needed and confirm that the lights are on. By following these steps and using daytime running lights, you can improve your safety on the road and reduce the risk of accidents.